Let's begin the briefing. Thanks to your efforts, remaining enemy forces have gathered at a base in the center of an uninhabited island within the mission zone. Your mission is to attack what's left of the enemy squadrons and then secure the base's port facilities. We expect SAM anti-aircraft attacks in the area surrounding the base. Stay sharp until it's all over and focus on destroying your targets. Your launch time is 1,000 hours. One more thing. This is your final order, and I won't forgive anybody who violates it. You come back alive. That is all.
Bloody good choice. This aircraft will do just fine. Off we go.
Left to lose. We expect a fierce counterattack. All right, this is it. Good luck. Tower, Gargoyle 1 and 2 for takeoff.
Gargoyle, clear for Sierra Hotel departure. Climb and maintain Angel 3. Switch departure 297.6.
Gargoyle 2 airborne, switching to strike. Focus on the ground targets, but keep an eye out for bandits. We'll go.
Gargoyle, we have fragments this time. We'll leave the first half to you.
Roger, Steel Mace. Leave it to us. I've got tone.
He's on my nose. I got tone. Straight 2. Take left. Good play. My 4 o'clock. Defending.
Got him. I've got tone. I'm spiked, taking evasive action. Bloody good kill.
Gargoyle, we have targets. You're 12 o'clock.
Roger, Jackknife, thanks. Gargoyle 1, great shot. Gargoyle 1, are you alive? Don't get in my way. Not much longer now. Let's bring it to him. Committing against ground targets. Nice kill, Gargoyle 1. Gargoyle 2 has been locked up, defending. Nice kill, Gargoyle 1. I've got tone. I can't shake him. targets. Multiple targets from the center of the island. They're close. Watch out.
MCOM 1. Lost. Jackknife to Gargoyle. Land-based anti-ship missiles confirmed at new coordinates. These missiles are targeting the Allied fleet and land bases. Destroy the missiles before they launch.
Wilco. Why are they wasting their time? It's obvious we have them beaten. Rapier 1, contact. Bullseye 315, 17 miles, 9,000. X-35s? They have X-35s! Starburst, roger. 315, 17 miles, 9,000. X-35, huh? Hostile. I can't believe they still have something like this. Rapier 3, in back. Keep your feet down. You can't turn with us. Rapier 1, defending. I'm spiked, taking evasive action.
Jackknife to Gargoyle. Land-based anti-ship missiles confirmed within radar range. Lost. They're 1 o'clock. Stop those missiles, Gargoyle. Lost.
Wilco. Starburst to Rapier. All bandits splashed. Rapier 1, Starburst. Roger. Excellent work. There you go. Gargoyle 2, Fox 3.
Warning. Stall.
Gargoyle bandits splashed. Fine job. Starburst. Rapier? Anybody? I need some information here. Did we win? We got him, Gargoyle. We got him. Glad to see you made it too. Is it really over?